Welcome to Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn about Property Management System. A property management system is a set of solutions that hoteliers use to manage their day-to-day hotel operations activities such as reservations, front desk, housekeeping, maintenance, billing, analytics, and reporting. After login to Numerah, user will be able to see home page screen. User can access each solution if they have permission to access. In Numerah PMS we have front and back end. A front-end system is part of an information system that is directly accessed and interacted with by the user to receive or utilize the back-end capabilities of the host system. Back-end is for configuration and settings. Whatever data we configure in back-end, it will reflect in front. Front-end components are customer-facing, while rights to the back-end are exclusively for authenticated users. Now, let's start with PMS Front. On PMS Dashboard, we have New Reservation and New Walk-in, where users can create quick reservations from dashboard itself. Then on the dashboard, users will be able to see occupancy pie chart, occupancy status, forecast for the next 7 days, today's and tomorrow's guest birthdays, and all outlets revenue for yesterday and this month. Under today's reservation, we have arrival, in-house, and departure sections, where user can proceed for check-in and check-out process from dashboard itself. On top of title bar, it will show username who is logged in. By clicking on home button, user can access other solutions on permission basis. In title bar, we have reservations, front office, cashiering, room management, miscellaneous, and end-of-day process. If user wish to use quick keys, guide for the same has been given under miscellaneous head. For example, miscellaneous has the letter M underlined, press Alt plus M to access miscellaneous. To use quick keys, press Alt and then the underlined letter to access quick keys in all over Numerah. Thank you.